How can you make your business more efficient, cost effective, and adaptable? Welcome to Data Bites, hosted by Kagul, where we cover all that and more. Today we're looking at a business solution that makes analytics from Power BI easily accessible within Microsoft Teams, an application that employees use daily already. The easy access to analytics will enable efficient and effective data-driven decisions across the business. So you can see here a Power BI report integrated into Teams, where the user gets to play with all the Power BI functionality that they would on the Power BI service where the report was originally published. So for example, you can see them drilling through into expenses here. You can see in this report that there are key KPIs at the top, line charts to the right, so the user can see the specific insights that they need. You can see the user looking at different reports as well. So any report that you've integrated into Teams, you can interact with directly in this application. And you can see them playing with the data to get the insights that they are most interested in. The data can quickly and easily be captured for use in a presentation. So you can see the user taking a screenshot here, and then all within the same application, they can add it to their presentation that they've been working on. Um, so you can see here they've been adding the analytics to do with finance updates for all the different locations. And this is all within the Teams platform. So it's very easy to use these applications all in the same place. And now, because it's all in Teams, you can see the user is updating their team about the progress of the presentation and the analytics they are working on. Now, access to all these reports is authenticated through Azure Active Directory. So employees can only view the data that they have security clearance to see. So that means that any sensitive data is handled with due diligence and security. If you'd like to find out more about our business solutions with analytics integrations, please get in touch at info@kagul.com.